Okay, hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the bubble battle. In part 1, we did the battle, which was pretty much short. It was very short. So, like I said, now this guy has to smack himself into the wall 5 times. All right. Alright guys, he's gonna get smacked against the dresser. So let's smack him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the end of part 2.